2020, January 21st. Be careful, folks. This would be a good time to consider buying index puts or selling S&P futures or NASDAQ futures. We are expecting a potential 5 to 10% correction. During that time, this was the prices of the 9-day VIX, the 30-day VIX, the 90-day VIX, the 1 year. January 21st was right here. We were starting to see movement in the VIX curve on why we were concerned. This was right before COVID. January 21st, I just showed you that. January 30th. Now look, remember 9-day 11, 30-day 12, 90-day 14. January 30th, 16, 15, 16, 17. There's a kink in the curve. The 9-day VIX continues to trade above the 30-day VIX. Be careful. That was right here. January 30th is right here. January 1st is right here. The market is telling us what's going on before the news is. January 30th, 21st, the 30th, and this should be the 31st. January 31st, okay, 30th here. The 31st, the day after, look at that 9-day, guys. Look at that 9-day. What's going to happen? Right? You can see risk is elevated. But look what's going on, because risk is elevated, but the market is not dropping yet. This allows us to anticipate what's going on because the market even starts to rally. But folks who are watching VIX term structure know what's going on because they see the risk going more and more to the front end. February 27th. All the risk is up front. And when I first started doing this exercise, if somebody told me that this was the shape of the VIX curve, I would have thought the crash already happened. But it didn't. It's right here, guys. This is where it is, right here, where that 9-day is trading VIX. Education mitigates risk. This is not brain surgery. And I think a lot of this is what's up with trading, is that I don't think it's brain surgery. It's just getting exposed to what matters in the market. It's getting exposed to what's real. And this is real. These are real numbers. This is just purely math. And if you look at the rhythm of that VIX term structure, you can look back, and I'm guessing it's probably not that difficult of a trade for you to see now, because the market didn't really fall until even after this. This is going to give you the confidence to act because you'll see risks elevated. When risks are elevated, you buy protection. You hedge your IRA, you hedge your longer term holdings. Here's what Chris did, and it's pretty unbelievable. I've been watching the VIX 9 and the VIX on the MIT VIX Trading System. That's what this is. And when they both got below the moving average, Chris got flat, his 401k and IRA. I missed the down moves yesterday and today in those accounts. To me, this is the most amazing thing. Right before COVID, we could see in the market, Chris got flat, his 401k and IRA. Unbelievable. The VIX Trading System actually alerted us before the news broke of COVID-19 and before the stock market crashed. And the VIX Trading System continues to protect members from volatility spikes in the market. Here's Pete. December 7th, 2021, VIX coming down. He got a VIX buy signal. I worked out around 100 points in the S&P already. When the VIX Trading System gives a buy signal, the buy signal says that the S&P futures are going to rally 100 points. 1207 is going to be right up here. That's right after that 100-point rally, 4,500 to 4,700. That's a 200-point rally in the S&Ps. December 7th. Does anyone question the power of the VIX tool? The day after we got the VIX tool signal, the open in the ES futures the next day was 45.42. Last trade 46.81. December 7th, 2021. December 23rd, 2022. I pre-financed the 100 guaranteed trade, the VIX buy signal. It's as close to being Jordan Belfort as I ever got. That's the Wolf of Wall Street. February 23rd. March 9th, March 8th, March 8th. The VIX buy hits and I'll grow my account by another 100%. The only trades I trust right now is long metals and my precious VIX buy. 44.70 is 300 points away if the VIX buy stays perfect. It did not hit this level yet. This is right here. 307, you can see all this commentary is right here. 44.70 is way up here. If the VIX buy stays perfect, well, went to sleep and woke up with 400% profit. Jonathan said keep hedged, so I keep putting them on every week. Portfolio's liking it bigly. I'm waiting for capitulation, low now, and we'll rip higher. That's 314. That's catching the move. And then back to Magnus, bought another 10 micros from last week, 43.70, bought that for 13, trading at 47. I still believe the best long-term way to manage a VIX buy is through either micro S&Ps, ES calls. You can do anything. Again, the VIX trading system lets us know when the market's going to rally 100 points. March 17th, Howie, that's about 3K, up 6K on some micro ESs. So the VIX trading system alerts traders before the stock market rallies 100 future points. And it continues to be the most consistent signal we've ever had. Shelly, this was the next one in May 3rd, 2022. Here's Shelly, just making sure that she understands the trade. VIX buy signal shows up. Head over to SPY. Today is May 1st. Here's May 1st right here. Price of SPY is 415. I look to buy May 21st, 20 days out and 10 points higher. Well, 2 days later, SPY jumps, gets its 100 S&P points is the same as 10 points in the SPY. Pretty freaking cool. May 4th, I'm just showing you every single VIX trading system of 2022, guys, just to prove it to you. Just sitting back, taking notice of the results from the VIX signal, no major risk on, just watching and learning more about this tool. I got my 100 points off. Every VIX buy is like Christmas. A free $5,000. And here's Jonathan. I just made a shit ton on the VIX tool. 5.4. Look at that. Pretty unbelievable. SPY. Here's Tom. I've seen 5 to 6 VIX buy signals since becoming a member. Hasn't been wrong yet. Tom's been a member since early 2021. Showing you that real members are taking these trades and having awesome results. Everyone trying to get 100 points. 43.08, 44.32. You could have got 200 handles. Howie grabs 100. Magnus is printing money. Real shit.